Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So we had the inside bar, we had the weird range bar, and then we had the confirmation bar of a move down. Is that a bearish top? So now, if we just look back in the last 3.5 months, every time we've had a massive bearish bar, what has happened? I think that was the only one really where we got continuation. But whenever we've had a big bearish bar, the very next bar is a bull bar. So I am not reading too much into that at all, especially not on the daily. And if we start switching down to the 3 hour, you'll see a bit of a different picture. We had this consolidation for the first half of the week, and then yesterday we had this kind of fall. Now the oscillators are grouping to the downside, which is nice, indicating a buying area. We're in amongst the moving averages here yet again. So for me, it's get down to the lower time frames and see what structure we can see. Now you can see the move down and then a bit of a consolidation here. Nothing really to write home about. I don't see any levels in the area we are. I do see levels further down, and that's probably the first one, which is 15,546. You do have this big gap to the downside at the bottom of the range, so please keep that in the back of your mind. And then the second thing that you've got here, and I think let's take it from here, a little bit conservative, is we are at the 50% Fibonacci, and this level here is 61.8. So you still got to look at this. This was the last trend up, consolidation, broke the consolidation to downside. Consolidation target has been hit. There's no two ways about that. So there's your consolidation, which basically means if you break that to the downside, you can see there's a break, there's the 1 bar retest. Then we're going to move the range height down, and you can see that's exactly what happened, and the buyer stepped in. So we've got a few things on the go today. We've got options expiry today. So I haven't had a look at the DAX, but the US will drive this at the moment. So we've got some key levels for the US markets, which is I've given to you in the S&P and the Dow Jones videos. But at the moment, I'm still sit on hands. Even looking at the 15-minute trend is down, agreed, but we're more than likely going to form some sort of a consolidation here. If I just do this, so there's our consolidation at the moment. So I wouldn't be too surprised to see this be used as support on a break or a resistance on a break. But this level down to the downside, I think we'll cap it at least for a short-term bounce. So we've got gaps to the upside, we've got gaps to the downside. There's nothing really I want to be trading on the DAX at the moment, so we'll keep my money in my pocket. Oscillators group the upside on the 15 minutes at the moment as well, so I suspect more of a downside. Wouldn't surprise me back down to the bottom of the range, and this here is going to be a pretty strong magnet. That's 15,400. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps you, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.